Today, we are going to discuss the most disturbing health trend. Why Indian men are having heart attack in their 30s. You know why? आप जस्ट ये इमेजिन करिए और मैं आपको ये रियल सिचुएशन बता रही हूँ. मेरे क्लाइंट अमेजोन में काम करते हैं एंड हिज कलीग जस्ट केम टू हिज ऑफिस लाइक अ नॉर्मल डे. ही केम, ही वर्कड एंड जस्ट लंच ब्रेक में ही वेंट टू प्ले क्रिकेट. आराम से वापस आया. ही वॉज हैप्पी हेल्दी गाय और ही कोलैप्स्ड एंड ही हैड अ हार्ट अटैक एंड ही क्रैश्ड. Can you believe this? This is a very disturbing fact. So why it is happening? He was just 35, 36 years old. Can you believe this? This happens very normal, very regularly and very often. हम अगर statistics की बात करें तो on an average all over the world heart attack की age is 65. But India में the age is 35 to 40, right? Quite shocking. Trust me. Recent study shows that heart attack in Indian men below 40 has increased by over 50% in last one decade. Isn't it shocking? Secondly, India accounts for almost 60% of all the heart diseases all over the world. These are all shocking statistics which actually is good enough to shake us. And one tip on top of it is, if your waist size is above 100 centimeters, this is your alarming situation. You have to reduce weight. You have to focus. This is the biggest symptom that you can be in line. If you are a busy professional and you are below 40 and above 30, having a high chances of getting heart attacks is very, very high. You can understand 60% we are accounting, right? Now we understand why this is happening. What are the 3 important factors which are accountable for this current situation of Indian men? First, high metabolic syndrome. What are the characteristics of high metabolic syndrome? और ये होता क्या है? नेट आपकी मेटाबॉलिक एज बढ़ रही है और आपका मेटाबॉलिक रेट गिर रहा है. एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप 30 साल के हो, बायोलॉजिकल एज बाय डेट ऑफ बर्थ, आप 30 साल के बायोलॉजिकल एज है, बट आपकी मेटाबॉलिक एज है 40 ईयर्स, मतलब आपकी बॉडी 40 साल के बंदे की तरह काम कर रही है. दैट इज योर मेटाबॉलिकल एज. अब मेटाबॉलिक रेट गिर रहा है आपका. क्यों? क्योंकि आप जो भी खा रहे हैं वो उतना उस हिसाब से डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है, और डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा तो फैट में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. अब हम समझते हैं कि इसके 4 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है जो मेटाबॉलिक सिंड्रोम को बर्थ देते हैं. फर्स्ट, ओबेसिटी. सेकंड, हाई ब्लड शुगर. थर्ड, एलिवेटेड लेवल्स ऑफ कोलेस्ट्रॉल. फोर्थ, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर. ये चारों चीज़ें मिलके आपका मेटाबॉलिक एज बढ़ाती हैं और रेट कम करती हैं. अब समझते हैं ये होता क्यों है. मैंने तो आपको कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बता दी है. ये होता है 3 चीज़ों से. फर्स्ट, हायर एब्डोमिनल फैट डिपोजिशन. आपके पेट पे डिपोजिशन ज़्यादा है फैट का. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स बेसिकली विसरल फैट. विसरल फैट क्या होता है? आपके ऑर्गन्स पे चढ़ता है. यहाँ पे आपकी किडनी है, आपका लीवर है, राइट, स्प्लीन, एवरीथिंग इज हियर. सो जब वो उसके ऊपर चढ़ता है, दैट इज गोइंग टू पुश देम एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट देयर फंक्शंस. You getting my point? So higher abdominal fat, higher visceral fat, this is one of the reasons. Second, you have a higher insulin resistance compared to Western population. Then third point, which is most important, हमारा जो BMI है, that is body mass index, compared to Western population lower होना चाहिए. अगर 25 एवरेज है तो हमें 23 पे रहना है, बिकॉज हमारे अंदर ऐसे जीन्स हैं जो हमें रेजिस्टेंस नहीं दे रहे हैं. That is the problem we are facing compared to Western population. दूसरा फैक्टर है जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है वो है जेनेटिक फैक्टर. हमारे जीन्स बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करते हैं. उसमें फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है लिपोप्रोटीन. लिपोप्रोटीन इज दैट प्रोटीन विच ऑब्जॉर्ब्स द कोलेस्ट्रॉल इन द सिस्टम एंड इट फ्लोज इन द सिस्टम. ठीक है, अब वो हमारा ऑलरेडी वीक है बिकॉज दिस इज आवर इंडियन जीन्स. 1. Second, we have a higher resistance to insulin. Somehow this is how it is. And because maybe the reason is famine, ये one school of thought कहता है कि पहले famines हुए थे, इसीलिए हमारी बॉडी में फैट चढ़ता था, क्योंकि उसको लगता था खाना मिलेगा नहीं सिस्टम को. तो खाना सिस्टम सोचता था, बॉडी सोचती थी कि चलो वो उसको फैट में रिजर्व करके रख देते हैं. दैट इज वन ऑफ द रीजन. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव अ हायर इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, राइट. द थर्ड पॉइंट विच अफेक्ट्स जीन्स इज हमारे जो आर्टरी साइजेस है वो स्मॉलर है कंपेयर टू वेस्टर्न पॉपुलेशन. That is already there. This is our genes. The fourth important point which is affecting us is our lipid profile. Again हम lipid profile पे जाएंगे, which is we have lower HDL, that is good cholesterol in our genes. ठीक है, we have bad cholesterol more, good cholesterol is less. So we have to make sure that our triglycerides in the lipid profile test are in control. Now, the third factor, which everybody knows, or that is what I do, I'm a lifestyle coach. So the third factor is lifestyle problems which we have. One, that is sedentary work culture. You have to sit most of the time, 8 to 10 hours a day. Second, poor eating habits. Then third, deficit sleep structure or irregular sleep pattern. Fourth, higher screen time. Fifth, increased stress levels. These are the 5 factors which are contributing to lifestyle problems, right? All these 3 things are contributing to the impact on health, especially the cardiovascular health of Indian men, which is your metabolic syndrome. Second is the genetic factors, and the third is lifestyle issues. Now, in the lifestyle issues, I forgot to say one important thing, the problem of addictions. Men especially have a social culture which says आपको drinking करना है, smoking करना है. Now the drugs are also getting very common, right? These are the major issues. Everybody knows what are the hazards of smoking and drinking and drugs, but nobody wants to stop it because ये तो normal है, right? So these are all the 3 factors which are contributing to this. Now we will see what are the early signs which you might see, and उन साइंस को देख के आप अपने आप को रोक सकते हो या अपनी लाइफस्टाइल चेंज कर सकते हो. And those signs are, so there are some early signs which you can avoid, जैसे कि shortness of breath, fatigue होना, anxiety होना, then there is some kind of chest pain or the shoulder pain, arms pain, you know. These things are very important. Feeling quite anxious all the time, anxiety again. So these are the early symptoms of the heart attacks you might have. So generally before heart attack happening, 2 to 3 days before, they will give you the signs. The body will give you the sign कि there is something wrong happening in the system, and this is very very essential. आप इसको ignore ना करें. आप अगर आपको ऐसे कोई symptoms लग रहे हैं, आप definitely किसी भी डॉक्टर के पास जाएं as soon as possible or call your family members. Now we will understand what are the changes we need to do in order to get rid of this problem. Now the solution is, lifestyle coach हूँ तो lifestyle changes बताऊंगी मैं आपको. First, make sure have a proper 7 to 8 hours sleep. It should not be disturbed sleep. Second, make sure to have a good nutrition instead of poor nutrition. Make sure to have good amount of protein instead of carbs and fats, क्योंकि Indian diet is full of carbs and fats. Then third, avoid smoking. Avoid smoking or reduce the consumption of smoking. Fourth, reduce the consumption of alcohol. Fifth, try to work out daily, at least 30 to 40 minutes a day. If you cannot do that, at least do thrice or 4 times a week, 30 to 40 minutes a day, especially strength training. Next, you can try avoiding stress by going for yoga or pranayam or having the mindfulness practices, which I have shared in the previous videos. Next, you can go for regular checkups of your lipid profile, cardiovascular diseases. अगर आप हर बार, हर साल, preferably every year if you can get it done, it's great. Or every 6 months you can do it, that's amazing. So that these checkups will help you to check what is the level of HDL and LDL in your system and triglycerides. So lipid profiles will give you an exact idea. अगर आप pre-diabetic हैं तो how to reversify. So make sure the regular checkups are very very important. Try to make sure to do the workout. Okay. Finally and lastly, the last message I would like to say, your heart is not just an organ, it's your life's engine, right? Don't ignore these early signs of your heart and take control of your life. Make sure to do lifestyle changes and prioritize your health. Okay? Goodbye on this good note. Make sure to subscribe and like my channel for more.